What's up guys, it is Power Blast X here, back with another video. Now today, I will show you how to fix this specific error on most Chromebooks. So if I try opening up my laptop here, it will show this error, ChromeOS is missing or damaged, please remove all connected devices and start recovery. So many things can cause this, such as firmware issues, restoring stock firmware, or messing around with firmware. So I'll show you how to fix this. So here are the tools needed. You will need a USB flash drive or an SD card and a second computer. And please keep in mind, this will require you to reset the whole computer. The whole computer will be reset and all data will be wiped. So make sure you want to do this. And I'll show you two methods on how to make the recovery media. First being Chromebook recovery utility, and second being manually finding and flashing the image. Alright, let's get started on this tutorial. On the other computer, open up a Chrome based web browser. And now on the top right corner, click on this extensions icon and click on manage extensions, and then on the side here click on Chrome Web Store. And now in the web store, search up Chromebook recovery utility. And click on the first result here, and then click on add to Chrome, add extension, and then once it's done, click on the extensions icon again and click on Chromebook recovery utility to open up the tool. Now in this window, click on get started and enter in the model number of your Chromebook. It should be at the bottom of the recovery screen. If for some reason it doesn't work, just click on select model from list and manually identify the Chromebook. For me, it's Acer Chromebook 3119H. Then click on continue and select your USB drive or SD card that you inserted. Keep in mind, this will require the drive to be formatted. So now you can create the recovery image. This can take a few minutes to download depending on your internet speed and the image it's downloading. And then it should show this screen when it's successfully done. You can now remove the USB drive and proceed to the next step. If for whatever reason the tool fails or it's stuck here, then let's try the second method. Go to chromium-theappspot.com. There will also be a link in the description to this website. Now on the left side, click on serving builds and you'll see this screen. So now just search up your model of Chromebook, the same thing that was showing up in the recovery screen. As you can see, my model showed up, and now here on the right side where it says recovery images, click on the largest number, which is the newest version. And while we wait for that to download, go to rufus.ie and then scroll down to download and download the newest version. This is the tool we're going to use to actually flash the image to the USB. Now open up Rufus, and if a pop-up shows up, just click on yes. And now here's Rufus open, and now drag and drop the images is downloaded onto Rufus where it says disk or ISO image. And as you can see, it should be selected, and up top here, make sure your USB drive or SD card is selected. This is just the name of my USB drive, and make sure it looks like this on my screen, and then when you're ready, click on start. And please note, this will wipe the data, so make sure you have nothing important on that drive. And now this will take a few minutes to flash. And when it's done, it should show this screen saying it's ready. So now you can remove your USB drive, and now let's head back to the Chromebook. So now turn your Chromebook back on, and when it's at this screen, press this key combination: escape, refresh, and power. Press it at the same time. And then it should show this screen. So now insert your USB drive or SD card that you just created, and it will automatically head to the next screen. And now it will automatically start restoring ChromeOS. This process will take a few minutes. If for whatever reason it shows this error, it's probably due to a bad media or your image is corrupted. So first I would recommend trying the alternate method, the method 2, because sometimes the ChromeOS recovery tool can have corrupted images, which is actually my case here. So I had to go to method 2 and try the manual images, and if one of them don't work, just try as much as you can, starting from the newest version and going down. And if that doesn't work, then I would recommend trying a different USB drive or SD card if you can. And also make sure your Chromebook is also plugged in during this whole thing to make sure the battery doesn't die. And now when it shows this screen, it has successfully finished. So now you could remove your USB drive or SD card, and then it will automatically restart. And now here is the ChromeOS logo. So I hope y'all found this video interesting. I hope this worked for y'all. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks for watching this far. If you haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I would really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments how this went for you, or if you ran into issues. I'll try my best to help y'all. But yeah, thank you guys so much. My channel just got monetized as well, so after 3.5 years, so I just want to thank you guys for that. That wouldn't be possible without y'all. So, but yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today, everyone. Click this video if you want to see how to get a custom operating system in a Chromebook, and check out this video for my latest video. I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.